Unboxing the Edge PITAKA Ultra Slim case immediately reflects PITAKA's attention to presentation and storytelling. The packaging feels premium and deliberate, featuring the "Happiness Rides in Indigo" artwork and a thematic narrative that ties the woven horse motif to movement, progress, and renewal. Inside, the experience is clean and minimal, with the case presented as the centerpiece. PITAKA also includes thoughtful documentation, reinforcing that this is a crafted product rather than a disposable shell. From the first moment, it is clear that the Edge series is designed around elegance, precision, and a barely there carry philosophy. The first time you hold the Edge Indigo case, the defining impression is how unbelievably thin it feels. At only around 1.4 millimeters thick and roughly 23 grams in weight, it delivers that rare, bare metal-like sensation PITAKA is known for. The phone remains light, balanced, and natural in the hand, while the textured Aramid weave adds grip and tactile confidence. What makes this generation stand out even more is the upgraded PITAKA camera control experience. Instead of awkward cutouts, PITAKA integrates a seamless, capacitive button that feels modern, intuitive, and far more refined in daily photography use. PITAKA's craftsmanship is the true highlight here. The case is woven from aerospace-grade Aramid fiber, a material trusted for its strength, resistance to discoloration, and long-term durability. The indigo finish is deeply stylish, featuring triple-layer fusion weaving that gives the horse motif subtle depth and motion without becoming loud or overstated. It feels layered, premium, and quietly artistic. The upgraded volcanic-style raised lens ring provides practical protection while matching the case's color identity, and the full top and bottom coverage improves confidence compared to older, ultra-thin shells. Everything feels precise, polished, and engineered with intention.